Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Suppose that 120 students are studying in 4 sections of 11th standard in a school. How many sections? Totally 4 sections. Let A denote the set of students and B denote the set of sections. A denote the students, B denote the sections. Define a relation from A to B as X related to Y. Here we define a relation from A to B. X is related to Y. If the student X belong to the section Y, if this here X represent the student and then the Y represent the section, is this relation a function? What can you say about the inverse relation? Explain your answer. That is a question mark. Here A represent the set of students, that is set of 120 students. Total number of student is 120, and B is the set of sections A, B, C, D. See the question. B denote the set of sections, A denote the set of students. That's why we take A equal to set of 120 students, B equal to set of sections. Here the question is define a relation from X to Y. X represent the students, Y represent the section. So each student, that means each and every students belong to any one of the section in a school. So since every student will belong to any one of the 4 sections, therefore the relation is a function. That means what? Each and every element in this domain, that means that first set has an image in the codomain. Already you know relation means each and every element in set A is pair with set B. Here we want to find whether it is a function or not. Already you know function means each and every element in set A has exactly one image in B. Exactly one image in B. Therefore the student belong to any one of the section only. Therefore it is a function. Inverse relation is a function or not? Not, that is a question. So here B is the section. B is the section. Each and every section has more than one student. More than one student. Therefore it is not a function because each and every element has more than one image. So inverse relation is not a function. And then next, write the values of f at second question. -4 minus 1 minus 2 7 comma 0. Here the function value is given, so we draw a real number line. Real number line means minus infinity to infinity. So minus infinity to minus 3, the value of the function is minus x plus 4. So less than or equal to symbol occurs, so you take up to minus 3. And then next, in between minus 3 to minus 2, the value is x plus 4. And then minus 2, starting from minus 2 to before 1, the value is x square minus x. And then starting from 1 to 7, the value is x minus x square, 0 otherwise. Here we want to calculate f of minus 4. So the functional value of minus 4, this is the minus 4 area. So minus x plus 4, minus 4, minus of minus 4 plus 4, minus into minus it becomes plus, 4 plus 4 is 8. And then f of 1, the value of 1 is here, x minus x square. So 1 minus 1 square, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. F of minus 2 is in this part, x square minus x. So minus 2 the whole square minus of minus 2, it becomes minus into minus plus, the power is an even power, so it also plus, 4 plus 4 is 8. And then f of 7, the value of 7 is 0. And then f of 0 is this area, x square minus x, 0 square minus 0 is 0. Therefore the value of f of minus 4 equal to 8, f of 1 is equal to 0, f of minus 2 is equal to 8, f of 7 equal to 0, and f of 0 equal to 0.